So I am making some Christmas cookies with my Christmas cookie girl.
And I haven't just won a game of this.
I know you beat Dad. High five.
Hey,
finally, someone's gotta beat him.
And I beat Ava.
Yeah.
Hold on.
And our babies.
I inherited this game from Ava, who was already dead in the
Losing.
water, so
Okay. Hey, but
I'm not
hey.
gonna take blame for this.
Yeah, you just got beat by a 9-year-old. Wait, that's what we heard. Hey, can I see your shirt? So look, it says, oh snap, yep. Oh yeah, because here's his leg, but then does his leg snap off or anything? No, it doesn't. Okay.
Oh wait, times.
I was thinking that like it would look like the leg. So have we ever made like real gingerbread cookies together?
No.
I don't think we have,
Oh, wait.
but I was thinking
This is gingerbread?
yeah, but it's like we can eat it. Like not right now, but once we cook it, we can eat it.
Yay. Unlike
So-
those horrible
And
ones.
I bought like a bazillion things for it too. It was hard to find molasses, by the way. Anyway, so I just gotta refrigerate this, and then there's eggs in it, so you can't eat it.
Oh.
What's going on over here?
Is that safe?
What are you doing?
But it smells good.
Yeah, it does smell really good. Hopefully it tastes good. I don't bake much.
Pumpkin bread right now.
Yeah. I feel like gingerbread and pumpkin, like kind of like pumpkin pie. It has some of the same flavors. Alex and Ava are sleeping over at my aunt's house, but baby Adam's still home with us, so still kids. But so Ava packed up. Let's see what you brought. Oh, let's see. Clothes. Good. Is there jammies in here? What's in there? Should we see?
No.
No, well I see a little bit of jammy hanging out there. Hopefully jammies, jacket. Do you have your little stuffed animal baby?
Yes.
Okay.
Here.
In there? Okay. Well, you've got a lot in there. How about toothbrush? Go get your toothbrush and toothpaste. Ooh, here's your little shoppy. Cute. Cookie time. Okay, so put it close. There we go. That's pretty good. And then press down. Not like crazy close.
Can we eat it?
We can eat it once it bakes. Oh yeah, perfect. And then let's get your little gingerbread man. Okay, you got your Mickey. Let's lift it up. And then even this.
I can do this.
Can you grab your Mickey out?
Yes.
And then give it a little bit of
need
space
help.
here. Oh, okay.
Hey, can I use this one now?
Yeah. So let Ava have the gingerbread.
This is like playing with Play-Doh.
Yeah, it kind of is, huh?
But play with gingerbread.
Yeah.
Are we
Gingerbread Play-Doh. We have more. I'll roll out more, and I have a whole nother one too.
To make it easier, should we pull off this?
Yeah. Pull it off. Here we go, and then I'll re-roll some. Little Mickey looks good. So gingerbread Mickey.
Gingerbread looks good.
Yep. Okay, so let me pull this guy off. Oh, his leg's a little funky. Put it back. Funky. Okay, sweet. So now we'll make, oops. So we grab all this.
Add a bit of each on it.
Yeah, we'll do that for decorating. I bought some frosting that's over there.
Take it up.
Okay.
Let's take it.
Okay, so now we gotta just re-spread out.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can roll it. 1 second. I gotta make it like a nice ball.
It's so hard to not look at this. Yeah, it's so hard to look at it.
Look at the cookies.
Yeah.
Oh, and not eat it? Oh, it's kind of gross if it's not cooked. Okay, here you go.
I don't eat it.
Okay, here you go. Roll away, little girls.
It would taste good, just not safe.
Yeah. I hear you, buddy. There you go. Good rolling. Rolling. These are in the oven. They're looking perfect. I'm super excited. I love gingerbread cookies.
For 5 minutes.
Yeah, we gotta have them cool. Hey, go wash your hands. You're a little messy. No? Come on. You can't eat a cookie without washing your hands, at least.
I know.
She's just loving playing with the flour. Is this your favorite part, the flour?
No.
The cookie eating?
No.
The cookie cutting?
No.
Then what?
Putting it.
Ah, we haven't done that part yet. These
Oh, these.
are these cookies.
Time.
Yep. Here, do you want me to put frosting on it? Here, wait, let's get a plate. Hold on. Okay, frosting time. Here, if you want, do you want to do white or do you want to do blue?
I'll do blue.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Ooh, happy eyes. And then if you do like, you can put this on top if you want to. Nailed it.
Okay. This looks like toothpaste in a way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm not even trying. I'm just doing whatever I can. Smells like gingerbread. We made gingerbread. I'm not even trying.
Oh, it looks good. Is that like ginger ninja?
Oh,
That's yummies. Okay.
Ginger ninja.
What do you want yours to be? Do you want it to be girl? Or you could do. Yeah. Oh, wait, hold on. We'll do. Yeah, that. There you go.
I just need How do you I need help.
Okay, here.
No, I'm trying to draw a bow.
Oh yeah, here, let me do the bow for you.
The bow is the hardest way. So it's a girl. So you know it's a girl. And then we're gonna try it like.
I'm sorry. So.
Oh no.
Did you spill a sprinkle? Come on, man. Hey, wait. What are you doing?
I just need to.
Do a skirt. Okay, this is all sorts of bad. Here, do you want me to get you another cookie? The bow's hard. Why don't we do sprinkles on it? Okay, wait. Oh, oopsie. I don't know. Wait. Hold on. Okay, there you go. Looking good. Yeah, so you just shake it. Okay, wait. Let me add like maybe a necklace.
Eyes in a smile.
There we go.
Eyes in a smile.
Okay.
I don't want you to want.
I smile. Here we go. That's happy looking. I'm sorry.
Can I eat mine?
Yeah, let me get a house ever. Look, there's a Ferris wheel. There's a cute little girl. Yeah, it stops with this train. Oh, yeah, a candy factory. Oh, that's cool. And look, there's swings. I don't know how the swings go. Yeah. Oh, look, there's Mickey at the balloons. Oh, yeah, there's the swings. And then this is cool. There we go. And then this stops. Do you want to grab a candy cane? You can grab one. Oh, yeah, watch your hands. Watch the hands. There we go. Choo-choo. Oh, there we go. You can grab a candy cane. What does it do? Sweet. That is so cool. Flash high beams. Yeah. Oh, no, you gotta go back. Go back. Hey, no, come back. You're gonna get stuck there.
I don't care.
You get stuck. Oh, wait, he found a way out. Good job, buddies. Yeah, this is like, the coolest house ever. I like this more than, do you like this more than the one we saw last night? I think it's really cool. Awesome! There's the train. Hey, you got your free candy cane. Let's see, I died. No. There's a puppy. That's really awesome. Alright, okay, so it's Cars collection time. So I bought some new cars at Target. Like this Florida Ramon, which has like the coolest paint job ever. So probably everyone knows, but I started my channel as a cars collector. So I've been collecting cars for basically like 7 years now. So it takes this long. But I found these. These are the new Fireball Beach Racers. So it's from Cars 3 when Lightning McQueen is racing on the beach in Florida. So they got some like really cool looking cars here. Oh, here's all of them. So there's 8 different ones. Plus you have Lightning too, so there's probably more. Here's Lightning McQueen. So, oh yeah, here, I'll just show it off. So we have Danny Swerves. We have Lightning McQueen. It's funny, there's like 300 different Lightning McQueens. Rich Mixin, which is my favorite because it's kind of like a pearlized pink. Let's see. Oh yeah, Chase Race Slot. It's pretty cool too. They're all kind of more pearlized looking. And then Jackson Storm. Yeah, you gotta have Jackson Storm, even though I really don't like the character Jackson Storm. He's just kind of like a mean guy. but you gotta have them anyway. And then, oh yeah, Luigi and Guido, isn't that so cute? Because they're like kind of hosting the race with the flags and everything. And then this Ramon, I feel like I might have it, but I don't know. Let's look at my collection here and make sure. So we have like a lot of Lightning McQueens. Where's my Ramones? Huh, wait a minute. So let's see. This is one of my favorites. Hank Halloween Murphy, he's really cool. Huh, because I feel like, oh yeah, here's a cool like Easter Ramon. I feel like I have like a Ramon collection just like all together, but maybe not. This is all my Cars 3, so maybe I guess I'll just add it here. Or like Cars 3 extras, I guess. And then here's my racers. Here's my like Star Wars ones. Let's see, here's a lot of Guidos. Where's all my Ramones? How come I can't find it? I don't know, maybe they're like mixed in. Oh, here they are. Dude, right here. So here's a lot right here. Oh, this one right here. That's a cool one. It was like a special Radiator Springs paint job. That's probably my favorite Ramon. So I'll add the Florida Ramon in, but these are all really cool cars.